Hello students, today we are gonna start a new chapter number 2, that is algebra and graphs. Under algebra and graphs, we have 8 topics, right? So we will start with the first topic, that is algebraic manipulation. So what is algebraic manipulation? Algebraic manipulation, collecting like terms. What do you mean by like terms? Combine terms that have the same variables raised to the same power. For example, this and that. Why here the same variable? Who has the same variable? 3x and the 5x. That's why we can add 3x plus 5x, 8x. Okay? But this y variable is alone. So that's why just copy and paste it down. Okay? Minus 2y. Similarly, let me explain you little bit more about this. Like terms means 8xy plus 2xy, right? 9x cube plus 8x cube. For addition and subtraction, like terms are very important. We cannot add and subtract with unlike terms. Both have the same variable, xy, xy. That's why we can write 10xy. Okay? Here both have the same variable, that is x cube. So 9 plus 8, 17 x cube. Suppose if we have 9x cube plus 8x square plus 4x cube. So what will be the answer? Who has the same variable? 9x cube and 4x cube. 9 plus 5. See the symbol as well. Okay, plus, plus, plus. We know that. So 9 plus 4, 13 x cube and plus 8x square. Why we did x square? Why we didn't add? Because it has the different variable. It has x square, not the x cube. We can solve further by taking x square common. So if we take x square common, so in the bracket we will getting 3x, 13x plus 8, right? That will be the answer. Similarly, the like terms means who has the same variable. 8y square plus 10y square, right? And so on. So just focus on the variable. If both have or more, two or more than two terms have the same variable, it means all are like terms. And unlike terms is just opposite of like terms. Suppose 8xy and 3y square. Both have the different variable. So it means both are unlike. Right? Unlike terms. Next, subtopic, expanding brackets. How we expand the brackets. Here you can see the bracket. Bracket means if there is a no sign, it means here we have to multiply, right? 3 multiplied by x plus 4. So how do we multiply? First with the first term and then with the second term. 3 times x plus 3 times 4. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 4, 12. Right? So that's the answer. Double bracket, another name, binomial expansion. Here we have double bracket. This is the first bracket and this is the second bracket. So how do we solve this? First multiply with x in the both term. And then we will multiply with 2 in the both term. Okay, we cannot skip any single term. Let's solve. X times x. 1 second. First, I'm gonna start with multiplication with x. X times x plus x times 5. Done with the x. Okay. Now, it's time to multiply with 2. 2 with x and then 5. 2 times x plus 2 times 5. X plus x, sorry, x times x square. X times 5, 5x. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 5 is 10. Now, is there any like terms? Yes, only in the middles. So we can add and subtract with the like terms, okay? Not with the unlike terms. So 5 plus 2, how much it is? 7x plus 10. This is your answer, okay? Next, another subtopic is factorization. So how do we factor? Factor means you have to take common, right? So this is the common factor. What thing we can take factor? Factor means what? Just a division, right? Let me show you how. 6x plus 9. By what number we can divide in both 6 and 9? Choose a number who can divide 6 as well as 9. 3, obviously. So 3, wait a second. 3x divided by 3 plus 9 divided by 3. If you will solve this, 2x plus 3, right? And that means, and we are dividing by 3. That's why the answer is this. Okay. Difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. This is the formula of, suppose on the place of the A we have 2 square and in the place of B we have 1 square. So how can we write? By following this formula, 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 times 2 plus 3 is 3. So 3 times 1 is 3, right? This is the quadratic trinomial. Here, how do we solve this? X square plus 5x plus 6. Split middle term. How can we split? Just first term write as it is and the last term also. Choose a number whose multiplication gives 6 and addition gives 5x. 2x and 3x, right? 2 times 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 2x plus 3x. Take x common from first two term, x plus 2. Now take 3 common from last two term, x plus 2. Now x plus 2 and x plus 2 again we have common. So take common x plus 2. In another bracket we have x plus 3. That's your answer. Okay. Next. Simplifying algebraic fraction. How we can simplify the algebraic fraction? Suppose if we have 2x square over 4x. So 2x square means 2 times x, right? Expand as simple as possible. 4. How can we, write in the factor form? 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4 times x. Okay. Now cancel 2 x by this x. Now what is left? X and 2. So x over 2. This is your answer. That's how we simplify the algebraic expression. Finding LCM of denominators before addition and subtraction. How can we find the LCM? See, LCM x and x square. How can we find the LCM? Start with the x one times, and if we divide by x, so we will get x. Now the LCM is what? LCM equals x times x. So you know very well x times x is x square. So write the LCM part in the denominator, and let me explain. First, what you have to do? First, you have to divide and then multiply with the numerator. Divide by x in the x square. Divide by x. So what you are getting? X, and multiply with 1. So what you are getting? X times 1 is x plus x square with the x square. What you have to do? X square with the x square, you have to first divide. What you are getting? 1. And now you have to multiply with the numerator. Numerator is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay? Because both are not like terms, so we cannot add, right? So x plus 2 is as it is, we can write, and that's your answer. Okay? We cannot simplify more than this. Now the second topic would be indices, or you could say exponents. This topic we will learn in the next class, right? So we will meet soon, and we will cover the full chapter of IGCSE core as well as extended for class 9th and 10th, right? I hope this video will be valuable for you. So see you in the next class.